Hello, everybody. Today we are going to also continue from yesterday. So it's the second part of logarithmic equations 9.4. So let's go to the packet. I'm in the Google slide. Okay. So this one is familiar to you because I showed you yesterday. Let's review a little bit. So if we have y equal to the b to the x power exponential form, then how do you change it to the log function? So x, the power goes down, base is the same. So x equal to base of the log, so log base is b, and then y go to the parentheses. Everybody remember? So it'll be like this. X goes down, log, base is the same, and y. When you go backward, again, b goes to the exponential function, the base of the exponential, and the x goes up, right? This one goes up. Power goes down, this goes up, and y is here. So, like this, let's see one example. So now this time one thing different is base. Your variable is in the base. So let's see. Can you think about it, how to change this one into exponential form? Do you have any idea? All right. So think about it. Power goes down here. So 3 will be in the power, right? And then t will be the base. So t to the third power. Do you get it? Power goes down. It happened from the exponential. So, and base is t. So t to the third power is equal to 1331. So first you get this, right? So 1331 is equal to t to the third power. I want you to be familiar with it. So 1331 is equal to 3, t to the third power. Now, how do you remove these 3 from, so to solve for t to the third power? To remove this, you don't subtract the 3 because it's in the power. So we should make a power to 1. How do you make a power to 1? Third power, you multiply 1/3 power. 1/3 power is the same with what? Cube root, right? We learned it. So 1/3 power, you power to another power, you multiply. So 3 times 1/3 becomes 1, t to the 1 power. So 1/3 power means you do the cube root. Same with the cube root. So if you do the cube root, third power comes out as a t. So 3 cancel. So multiples of 3 comes out by divided by the 3. So to remove third power, what did we do? We did cube root to the both sides, right? Then you put this in the calculator. But if you see in the calculator, you cannot put the cube root. How can I do it? So in this case, you should use the rational exponent. So 1331 to the what power? You need to use 1/3 power. Then you will get the 11. Let's see with the meta calculator how to do it. So let's go to the meta calculator here, and so we are going to use scientific calculator in this case, not the graph, right? So start the calculator. So here, what we get is 1331 with a power here. In the parentheses, make sure, because 1/3 power, right? 1 divided by 3, and if you enter, Oh, 10.99999999998 is equal to 11. This one gave you as a decimal, but its actual value is 11. All right, so let's go back to our original. So, like this. So t is equal to 11. So now let's do the error analysis. Can you think about it? So how to solve for x? Again, the variable x is in the variable, in the base. So can you see what's wrong? So can you find the identify the error here? So 81 equal to x to the fourth power. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. And then she did the square root to both sides. Is it correct or wrong? It looks okay. Both sides, they did the same, right? She did the same. Oh, no? What is wrong? Oh, not the square root. What should we do? Because it's x to the fourth power, we should do what? Fourth root here, right? The fourth root both sides, not the square root. Oh, so number 2 was error. Then it will not be 9. The answer will be what? So let's see, I will show you. So this is a fourth root, right? Fourth root and fourth power cancel, it becomes x to the 1 power. If you put it, you should know how to put it into the calculator again, because you cannot put the fourth root in the calculator. So 1/4 power, remember? So let's check upon, so understanding. So if you do have a variable in the x, first we should do what? Convert the log function to exponential function and do the square root or nth root, depending on what number you have here, right? If this is 2, you are going to do the square root. If it is 3, the cube root, 4, fourth root. So does everybody understand? Now you will have your practice problems. Please finish by yourself and then email it to me.